Okay, folks, here we are in the basement again, dungeon again. This is about, I think 2.5 weeks since my surgery, my hip replacement, you know. When I think of hip replacement, all I can think of is them just pulling, cutting you open and, pulling out your whole pelvis and then putting some chromium thing in there instead and putting everything back in there. Hip replacement, just one little fucking joint. Well, it's just the ball from your femur into your pelvis. Okay, so that's what they have to do. I mean, it just came in on me all of a sudden, and now it's kind of healing up a little bit better. I've had some great friends, and thank you for all of you checking in on me and just saying, whatever it is. It's been great. Thank you so much. For the rest of you, I didn't go out and advertise it much, so, but anyway, I'm feeling better. I can move up and down the stairs, although it's a little slow right now. They tell me it's going to take, it could take another 2-3 months before I'm, everywhere near where I was before, but it's, every step is kind of painful. But, you want something else? Huh? There we go. Hold on a second. Okay, you said no more. You come back a little bit later. All right, okay, bye-bye. Go on up, go back upstairs. Okay. All right. He's a little fucking rebel. Yes. Okay. So anyway, I'm recovering. I'm able to do a little bit of printing, though I closed down the 3D side of things right now until I get it. I'm not going to reopen that until I'm at least. I'm going to be a lot better than I am right now. So it may be a month or so. But as far as the home situation, well, I don't think neither Barbara nor I were prepared for this fucking shit. And I know, and she's getting very frustrated with me. And I can understand, it's not easy living with someone that is fairly mobile and, leaves jars of pee on a coffee table, I can understand. That's not really a good thing. So, anyway. Hold on a second. Oh, fuck. Could be some stuff in here. Yeah. Reuse. I mean, what's the worst thing that's going to be in one of those cans down there is a bug. So anyway, I've been able to get down here, but I have to kind of limit myself down here like a couple of hours, a day, because anything more than 2 hours down here in the basement, it just wrecks me totally. So I can barely get up to the floor above me. But, Lieutenant Dan here, So, I tried to have a little get to last night. I know it was late. I figured, shit, if I got one.
There you are, sitting in your seat.
Ah.
Oh yeah, you're busy.
Hey, take this upstairs, please. Barbie,
What?
would you
What
please?
I have to take upstairs.
All right, no, you don't have to take it. I'll bring it up. Never
What?
mind. I was just like,
Give me that. That was never coming back up. What?
Would you fill it with water over there so I can have some, please? I forgot to bring down my drink. Barbara, I know this isn't easy for you.
No, it's not that.
No, Barbara,
You're
listen.
not helping yourself.
Barbara, I'm
How
doing.
do you turn it on?
Just turn.
I can't turn it on. I can't turn it on.
You just.
Which one?
The
Right
one-
or left?
The right. The one on the right. I knew you could do it.
Whatever you want, I'm not gonna get it. I've had it. I have.
What do you want, Barbara? What do you want me to do? You want to put me in a home? Is that what you want to do?
I want you to start getting to be honest and bring us some goddamn batteries.
Okay. Thank you for the water. I guess we got that on tape. Well, that kind of explains the whole fucking thing, doesn't it? Okay. Anyway, I was kind of hoping, like last night, I could get all you guys together to cheer me up a little bit. All right, here's what I'm going to do.